This is the kind of performance I've been waiting to give ever since first requested of me. The kind that tells you what's going on inside this damn hat of mine. This damn head of mine. This damn mouth of mine. At least, I hope so anyways. It's no surprise that the words don't come out as often as I'd like. I remember all of the times that they didn't, when I need another to tell me that eating isn't necessary right now. You wait for the food to cool down as long as you'd like. Burning your mouth with that meal won't make it taste any better. But how I wish to taste a little bit of what you do. How strong must your guitar chords be to string together the sounds of, I'm good, how are you? I lost my guitar. The chalkboard of my heart only writes in whiteboard marker. I have the tools to answer the equation, but they won't leave an imprint. So I grabbed a different one. One to write with, perhaps in cursive, or maybe something more immersive. From Arial to Equestrial, to Baskerville, to Cedarville, and back to Arial. They're all quite qualified. Their qualities are skills we all strive for. They're perfect even, but they cannot replicate a font-free hand, because this is the kind of performance that I have been waiting to give ever since first requested of me, not another. Me. I don't want to put the words that I'm finally getting out there to be put through the purple pool filter of another's voice. It removes the restraint found in the voices like mine that can't be found in your unopened cans of paint. Where should I paint it? Should I paint it at all? A quiet walk might answer that. I can't swim in your pool, but I won't drown. I'll make sure of it. I'll smash that damn purple pool filter one day. It's just plastic. But for now, just let me enjoy the sounds of the wind. It has its own way of speaking. And I appreciate it.